What's going on, people? Welcome back to the Jamaica Office Space. Remember to subscribe. All right. So, just like with any language, right? And probably this language more so than ever, i.e., patois, the way the word sounds or the phrase, it can tell you what the user is trying to convey, right? So, here are different variations of yeah, man, right? Someone asks you, did you go to the party last night? My response, yeah, man. Someone asks you, is this food yours? Yeah, man, I feel me. Someone asks you, did you remember to close the door? Yeah, man. So you see, just the way I am changing the tone, right? The pitch at which I am responding, right? And it gives you a different meaning of the phrase. And that is how you can use yeah, man in 3 different ways. Yeah, man.